gearing up to do another bit of cleaning up here. We got a pretty good dump last night. You see here when I go out with the snowblower into the driveway is a mess. So we're going to get the first pass on it here now. Get that done and over with. And anyway, we'll chat with you guys a little bit later. Yep, we got a bit there today. And it's still snowing.
Snow's blowing sideways over Foxtrot Hill. Got the truck hot berry, but I'm smiling still. Nan's got the kettle and the bread in the pan. Storm just a visit at the old woman's hands. Oh, the snow keeps falling on Conception Bay South. Drifts by the door and the wind gets loud. But we're dancing in the kitchen, we're stomping it out. Singing Life Blows Wild in Conception Bay South. Hey! Uncle's on the floor with the car top dealt. Kids in the sock feet slide like melting. Radio crackles as the roads are closed, so we make our own road round the table at home. Oh, the snow keeps falling on Conception Bay South. Drifts by the door and the wind gets loud. But we're dancing in the kitchen, we're stomping it out. Singing Life Blows Wild in Conception Bay South. Hey! Let the bay go black, let the sky turn white. We'll haul up a yarn that can last all night. If the power winks out, we'll still raise a shout. We got hearts like harbors in Conception Bay South. Oh, the snow keeps falling on Conception Bay South. Drifts by the door and the wind gets loud. But we're dancing in the kitchen, we're stomping it out. Singing Life Blows Wild in Conception Bay South. Hey! Life blows wild in Conception Bay South. Hey!
First cut through the end on the driveway. Get there. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. Don't you just love snowblowing? It's so much fun. It's so exciting. I loves it. Do you sense the sarcasm? Now, give her another go.
Are out on Kelly's Lane. Snow piled high on every door. Your old red scarf on the back of the chair, still dripping from the storm before. I kicked my boots on the crooked step. Tea gone cold in my rough right hand. Your laughter hangs in the quiet house like a song I almost understand. Blowing snow after the storm, sky gone pale and the world reborn. We're dug in deep, but our hearts stay warm in the blowing snow after the storm. Hey!
Round one complete.
The radio hums some wandering tune about a girl from Harbor Grace. I trace your name in the frosted glass. It melts and runs like you're leaving face. Down on the wharf the trawler's grown, ropes all stiff, frozen to the rail. I curse the wind for taking you east on a different ship, a different sail. Blowing snow after the storm, sky gone pale and the world reborn. We're dug in deep but our hearts stay warm in the blowing snow after the storm. Will you write when the thaw comes around? When the gulls come screaming back in May? Or am I just one more buried town you'll think of once, then walk away? Blowing snow after the storm, sky gone pale and the world reborn. If you come home